Hi guys, how you doing? Welcome back to the Hungry Cuban Adventures. We were at the farmer's market the other day and they had these beautiful heirloom tomatoes, and I decided to make one of the easiest salads there is, a caprese, you call it whatever you want to call it, but it's simple. It's just tomatoes, good mozzarella, basil, olive oil, and balsamic vinegar, and that's it. Let's get this going. Hope you enjoyed that video. A nice and easy caprese salad. Just make sure you get good produce and good cheese and good balsamic and good olive oil, and just finish it off with some nice toasted bread with some olive oil. If I had garlic, I would rub some garlic on it. Didn't have any garlic, but I hope you like it. I did do a basil oil instead of putting the leaves of basil on there. I think it tastes a lot better that way. Personally, that's my opinion. I hope you like it, and until next time. Good stuff.